Hey guys, it's Moni D. I'm back again, going to be showing you guys how I use the vegan Grogurt and the Growash. I'm so excited. Ooh, look at that. The texture is so amazing. And it had my hair feeling so luscious, let me tell you. So using this co-wash, my hair felt so soft and conditioned, but gently cleansed, like my hair did not feel stripped. It's just what I needed. So here I'm just applying it from root to tip, massaging it in, and I'm taking the massage brush and detangling my ends. I have type 4 hair, so it's important for me to make sure that my ends are detangled as much as possible so I can avoid single strand knots. Both the Growash and the Grogurt contain shea powder, black seed oil, and mura butter. I didn't know this, but black seed oil is great for inflammation and reducing dandruff. If you're someone who likes to wash 2 to 3 times a week, this co-wash is gentle enough to use. It conditions and cleanses your hair at the same time. Look at my curls. I love seeing healthy hair. I'm just dampening my hair. So here I'm getting ready to go in with the Grogurt. I'm just starting from my ends and working this leave-in all the way up to my roots. Fun fact about shea powder, it is a bunch of herbs mixed together and it's used to help retain moisture and retain length. Is so creamy, legit yogurt texture. For type 4 hair, it's important to make sure we have as much moisture in our hair as possible. Mura butter also helps with elasticity and locking in the moisture. I would recommend using this on type 4 hair at least once a week or every other week. Pretty cool, you can see the different textures in my hair. I'm really working this leave-in in and detangling as much as possible so I can get my curls defined as much as possible. Look how soft my hair looks. And let me tell you, my hair felt so soft after this and so plush and just bouncy. It really brought my curls back to life. Yay, look at that bounce. My curls are so defined. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm so excited about these new products. Be sure to check them out, and happy growing.
You're so good. Yeah, your aura,